With VR, you feel like you're actually right there, present with someone, even if physically they're in a completely different place somewhere halfway across the world.
But this is a place where digital output is mixed in with the real world. So that's why we call it the mixed reality.
With the rise of coronavirus, a new reality emerged, a one where we have to be socially distant but virtually close. To cope with that matter, we tried to convert our physical daily routine to a digital one by using remote working, for instance. But two things were missing to those initiatives: the concept of presence and embodiment. Those latter make the worker feel less happy, have more security risk, and feel more lonely. Virtual reality can represent the solution to those weak problems. In fact, according to resources, the market will grow from 5 to 50 billion in 2026. Imagine yourself participating in a VR meeting, cooking the right size of cucumber with the help of an app, or traveling the whole world and visit La Tour Eiffel or the Sixtine Chapel. You might think this is the future, but it's the present, and we even use VR for healthcare purposes. Now imagine yourself in 2030. Remote workers are now 70% of the population. There is many agreement between tech companies for VR investment, and there is still a fear for a new pandemic to arise. And even the UN decided to allocate a budget to major companies in order to increase remote technology in their own countries. This will inevitably lead to a major advance in research and development, which will considerably change the look of VR as we know it in 4 different categories: movement, feel, comfort, and resolution. Nowadays, the VR user is limited in movement and sometimes it can be harmful. This is why omnidirectional treadmills are used in 2030. It lets you walk freely in an infinite space. Concerning the feel, you cannot feel anything in a VR game as in any game or app. But in 2030, every user will be equipped with an exoskeleton so you can feel every touch in your hand or body. Now, for those who tried VR, you noticed how much weight there is in this device. In 2030, you can equip yourself with a bionic lens and run the application on your phone using 5G. In a nutshell, with the 2030 VR, you will move wherever you want, feel with the exoskeleton, and have comfort with the lenses. But to understand how it will change our daily life, we will analyze one day in the shoe of Jeff in 2030.